EV cars are the future. But Mother Earth is full of lithium ion deposits, and there are tons of lithium ion deposits found in almost every country on the land. But this area east of Japan and southeast of Hawaii, the Clarion Clipperton zone, is owning thousands of crores of lithium ion deposits. And as per research, the total deposits found in this region is more than the total lithium ion deposits combined on the land. Hence, there is a war between companies in the Clarion Clipperton zone because this area is in the international waters. Any area in the international water is known as the area, and it is a common heritage of mankind. Now, the question here is which country will collect tax while mining in the international waters? There are chances that it is collected by the nearby islands, which are Nauru, Kiribati, but as they are very small, they are not powerful enough to collect taxes from these big companies. Secondly, UN clause rules, which does not say anything on taxes if mining in the international waters. Third is the International Seabed Authority, ISA, which has no power of levying of taxes. So this Clarion Clipperton zone is now in the grey tax area where companies can escape tax easily. Secondly, if they take it to their home country or any other country, most of the countries have no taxation, no duties on lithium ion production, just like India.